Como esta capo? Welcome back to my channel, NateVlog here. Good morning. So today we're gonna try Magnolia Siopao. Philippine recipe, pork asado steamed buns. Alright, yes. Siopao is one of my favorite things to eat over there in the Philippines. So yeah, saw this at Walmart and I was like, alright, here we go. Something I like, Philippines, let's do it, let's review. So how do we make this now? Hold on, let's think here. Oh, it's right here. Okay, so microwave and steamer. Steamer, how do you do that? I don't. Yeah, we're gonna do it the American way, cause I don't know how to do the steamer. I bet. Oh, I know. I bet the steamer is actually the proper way of warming these up, but I don't know. So anyways, microwave, hopefully it's not cold in the middle, right, like last time. Alright, let's go ahead and open this up right here. Oh, would you look at that? Was there 4 of them? Got a little bun here, frozen. I think one's okay. One for breakfast, yeah. Alright, so we put this in for 2 minutes, but before we do that, check this out. We're gonna steam it in the microwave, right? So we have ourselves a little plastic right there, put that on top. That's gonna help right there. 2 minutes, and then we shall wait. Okay, 2 minutes is up. Take that, turn it around, put this back in there. Now, 1.5 minutes. There we go. Hopefully it's cooked. Get that off. Ooh, yeah, it's steaming hot. Oh, shit. Okay, there's our Siopao. Soft. Alright. Okay, here we go. So there's our Siopao. Let's go ahead and try this. Here we go. Oh, wait. Why is it hard at the bottom? Is it? It's not supposed to be like that, right? No. It's supposed to be soft. Oh my god. What? Ah, it's hot. Ah. Look at all that pork chunks in there. But yeah, the bottom's not supposed to be like that, so I don't understand. I'm following directions. I did exactly what it said. But let's just try the soft part. Oh. Pork's nice and chewy. Soft bun at the bottom. Yeah, see? I know. You're supposed to steam it. I know. But I don't know how, okay? If you teach me, yeah, next time we can do it better, right? But is my microwave just too powerful? Is that the ordeal? Time for a new microwave? Hot. You can really taste the barbecue. Nice sauce. Squishy. Bun. But hold on. Asado. Isn't it supposed to have some type of Siopao sauce? Does it come with it? No, it doesn't. Wow. Okay, well, when I was in the Philippines and I had this, it comes with some type of sauce, like a sweet tangy, but nope, not here. That's unfortunate. Okay, well, let's see here. Check out these nutritional facts. So calories 330, not bad. Sodium 860 milligrams. Cholesterol 15 milligrams. Whoa, what the hell? It has so much sugar. Total sugar 18 grams. What is this, like a dessert or something? Includes 17 grams added sugar. Wow. Yeah, I guess it's the barbecue sauce or something. Protein though, okay, here we go. 10 grams. Yep. Has vitamin D, calcium, iron, and potassium. So, it does have some good things in it then again and bad. So, half and half. Sure is good though. But I'm really disappointed on the bottom. I mean, seriously, what's up with that? Ridiculous. Maybe I was supposed to flip it upside down and then do the minute and 30. But overcooked. Such a shame. That's it. That's all I can eat. Rest is hard. So, you know, there's actually some history on the back here. I was just reading it, and wow, very interesting. So actually, Siopao comes from China, and it means steamed bun. So yeah, it makes sense. And some Chinese merchants came over to the Philippines during the late 1500s, and that's how it was influenced. So Spanish colonization, and then you got some Chinese coming over, and yeah, combine, and then that's how you get the chinas, chinoy. So half Philippine, half Chinese look, and yeah, that's how it was introduced. So pretty interesting. Wow, I love history so much, like Philippine history, all the craziness of colonizations, and wow, interesting for sure. Yeah, I guess I would rate it, you know, yeah, maybe 4 out of 10. Yeah, not good, not good. Unfortunately, yeah. But I have 3 left, so hopefully next time when I'm making these for a snack. Alright, this is a snack, okay? We don't overcook it. I bet you're wondering where I got this, right? Well, it was not Seafood City, okay? Yeah, surprisingly. No, this was Walmart. What? Walmart sells Filipino stuff? Actually, yeah, I'm surprised they do. Those noodles, those Filipino noodles, yeah. And then this, they sell it there. So, alright, Walmart, there you go. Literally just walking towards the cashiers, right? Finishing up our shopping. Look to the right, freezer aisle. What? And there it was. They also had lumpia, and I was like, wow, maybe we should do a lumpia video as well, right? Yeah, Philippine content. There you go, Philippines. Shout out, salamat po. So anyways, there we go. We will see you next time. Like and subscribe. Have you seen this shirt? Look at that. Wow, Philippines. I like that, don't you? Look at that. Wow, yep, gotta represent, right? Alright, anyways, that is that. Big ups. Did it look like that? Kind of, but is their bottom all crusty? Solid like a rock? Literally, if you throw this at somebody in the head, yeah, they'd be knocked out. That's how hard it is. Bam! Oh, Siopao! Siopao, right? You throw this, Siopao! Alright, that's enough of that. Anyways, hit up my PayPal, Venmo, description down below. Thank you everybody for supporting. Groovy Vibes, NateVlog out here, creating the best of the best content for you guys to enjoy. So, do I recommend this? Yeah, if you know how to steam it, okay? If you know how to steam it, go ahead. Like me, microwave, no, don't do it. So, yeah. Alright, we'll see you. Bye-bye. NateVlog signing out. Like and subscribe. Salamat po. Adios.